All right, coming up next, Kris and Kylie are taking us inside their homes.
But what did Kylie steal from Kim?
You hijacked from Kim and Kanye.
Hey guys, it's time for glam rooms, fireplaces, and a lot more. We are going inside Kris and Kylie Jenner's mansion.
For sure. I did a little snooping, and Kylie's place might include a room for baby number 2. Just saying. Also, hate to call it out, but Kylie actually stole something from Kim and Kanye.
I wanted to go to the next level of fun and color and just pretty much an expression of myself.
Kylie goes pink and Kris goes peaceful.
I would never buy a house without a fireplace.
The Jenners gave Architectural Digest a sneak peek into their never-seen-before Hidden Hills homes.
We had to make sure she had an incredible glam room to be able to try out her makeup, do her tutorials, and just kind of create.
The Lip Kit Queen's personal designer, Martyn Lawrence Bullard, told us how they worked together to create her safe haven.
One of the most important things for a celebrity is that their home becomes a sanctuary. And for me, I think the most fun part of creating this home for Kylie was making not just a house, but a real home.
My favorite room in my house is my bedroom.
Yay!
Stormy's room is a very magical space. Its layers are very soft colors.
Could Kylie be planning for baby number 2?
You know, there are a few guest rooms in the house, and all of which could become another amazing nursery if that was ever on the cards.
Just the swing in the family room is amazing. The one you hijacked from Kim and Kanye.
Kris loves interior designs. If she wasn't the best manager in the business, she might have been an interior designer.
Although Kris Jenner built her fortune living in the spotlight, she tells the mag on Stan's February 19th that she wanted her home to be far away from all the chaos of Hollywood.
The things that I might have passed down to Kylie are some of the cozier rooms, fireplaces, and make an amazing kitchen.
And she reveals there's zero rivalry between the sisters when it comes to houses. They all live close to each other and enjoy each other's homes.